Epa lagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri Red Dead Redemption honetara, eta hemen nengoen ezagizaitik justo puntu honetan. Oso randoma izan da. A ver. Zerein hau segaitik atera zait. Vale, eta den joango gara, oso lapurtzera uste zela. Eta horretarako joango gara, ona, hori da.
Hey, Arthur. Yeah. So, tell me, is your people Jacobites or English lovers, Arthur?
My people were peasants. We had no time for politics.
My dad would say that no politics was politics.
That old world bullshit, it ain't got no place here.
Why? Because there ain't no judgment here. Most folks hate the Negroes, they hate the Redskins, the Jews, even us Irish. You ain't so free of politics.
I hate everyone just the same.
Well,
Está listo.
in that case, you're gonna want what I just found for us.
What's that?
I was riding around a couple of days back. I come across this old cabin. A couple of fuckers lazing about outside all liquored up. I didn't think nothing of it. But then I come across this hunter down by the river. He tells me they're a stick-up crew. Says they hit a train a couple of days back near Emerald Ranch. Nice fella he was, shared a bottle we did. Then I robbed the bastard blind.
You believed him?
No reason not to. If he's right, it'll be a big haul for us. I saw 3 of them, maybe more, but I reckon you and me, we could take them real easy.
Alright. What the hell? Let's go check it out.
Them sons of bitches think they're mean. They're about to get a lesson in mean.
You just keep your cool, you hear me?
A ver.
Right, follow me.
Hala, guazen horra. Arthur Morgan, Callahan sargentoa modukoa da, Clint Eastwooden Callahan.
Not too bad. Back up north a stretch, not far from the state line.
Alright. So, what were you doing riding around up there anyway?
Sniffing around, looking for a take. I got a long nose for these things. Dutch has always honoured us to get out there and bring in money, ain't he?
And rightly so.
I ain't like some of them others back there, sitting around waiting to be told. I go after it.
I see you sitting around plenty.
I mean, I don't need no coddling like the rest. Dutch knows my value to the cause, as from the moment I met him.
You tried to kill him, if I remember the story right.
And he kept me around, didn't he? He saw something in me. He said as much.
I'm sure. Dutch is good at seeing things in people.
Joreña que te guste.
About money, you are clear on how this works. We split half, other half goes to the gang. Dutch keeps all our savings hidden in a safe spot outside camp.
Yeah, I know. How many times you have to tell me? What's that box by his tent for then?
Camp funds, supplies and the like. The fact you don't know that suggests you clearly ain't put much in it.
I always pay me way, don't you worry.
Beti galtzen ditut kapelak. Bueno, seguraski norbait akatu beharko dugu, beraz, hori kapelaen bat lapurtu beharko die.
sure you scoped this place out right?
Yes, see? That's why I wanted you along for this. You're still a doubter. I ain't just some dumb kid. I've lived a lifetime of shit already.
And you sure don't keep it bottled up inside.
What about that train job with the oil wagon? Made a good show in there, didn't I?
You got knocked out.
Ah, that's what you choose to remember. We got paid. We got out of there.
Got knocked out in Blackwater, too, didn't you?
Now that was bloody chaos.
Did you get split off with Mac?
All right, that'll have to wait. We're nearly there. Hard left coming up. All right, it's going to be off the road up ahead. Up here, Morgan. Easy. Let's leave the horses here and go the rest on foot. No one
vale.
can hear us coming. Here, I'll deal with them. Let's make sure we keep one of them alive to tell us where they stashed the money.
Hope you know what you're doing.
Nora, no, eskopetari gabe. Hori izango de txaldea.
Look, there's one of them outside. This is good.
It is?
Leave it to me. I'll do the talking. You hang back.
Atzean gelditu naiz.
Hey there! Oh,
I'm gonna give you about 5 seconds to get the hell off my property, boy.
look, don't want no trouble. Just thought you might like to know we passed a big posse of lawmen headed this way. Now a dozen of them coming up east.
What? Where?
Right here. Heads up, Arthur. Here come the rest of them. We got more coming out of the woods. Left of the house.
Oinor ez dauka txapelarik hemen.
On the right. Still got more inside. Come out with your hands up. Nice and easy. You saw what we did to your pals here. What the hell, Arthur? Who's going to tell us where the money's stashed now, huh? All right. Guess we should give the place a look, see what we can find.
Ahí va. Pikutara joan naiz nahi gabe. A ver. Utxaterate, hostia.
Ah, damn it. There ain't much. I'm heading back to camp. Should have kept one alive.
Vale, guazen zaldiaren gana.
Come on, pal.
Bidea. Guazen pizkanaka. Ez dugun inor topatzen bidetik. Gu laportu nahi digunik. Bestela arazoetan sartuko gara eta hori ez da momentu honetan nahi duguna. Hongo garizkinatik ikusi ez gaitzaten, baina bueno. A ver.
Well, that's nice. Evening, mister.
Damn fine weather, ain't it?
Here is good.
Guazen gau izartze honetan, ba bueno, kanpelikura bueltan. Oreinak eta guzti.
Whoa! Giddy up.
Whoa! Steady. Easy, fella.
What cargo you bringing through here?
Easy there. I'm trying to get these supplies to the federal building. It's on Denise.
Federal ain't got no authority here.
You're done for now.
Lapurtzen ari ziren. A ver. Apurtuko diogu.
Okay, fella.
Vale, guazen.
Who are you? It's me.
Welcome
Yeah.
back, Arthur.
Ba, bueno, lagunok, hau izan da dena, espero dut gustokoa izan zaizuela, eta hurrengoan gehiago,